Oh, hi, how are you? I'm good, but can we get started as I'm running on a tight schedule today? Yeah, have a seat and I'll be with you in 2 minutes. Are you gonna eat that now? Yeah, I'm on my lunch break and technically your appointment is not supposed to start for another 15 minutes, but I'll just finish that and I'll get you started. Can't you finish it after me? I'm really in a hurry. No, because you're booked in for extensions, which will take me 2 hours, and if I'm lightheaded and shaky from not eating, it will take me like 2 hours and a half, so I'm actually faster if you just let me finish my lunch. 2 hours? That's crazy. I need to be out in an hour. Well, the timings are on my website when you booked. It's not a secret. If you want an hour service, we'll have to switch the appointment to a gel polish manicure on your natural nails. Well, my previous nail tech was doing extensions in an hour, but fine, I didn't want them too long anyway, so let's just get started. If we didn't have this conversation, we would have started already. And by the way, you'll still be charged for the original booking. You can't do that if I didn't get what I pay for. Well, poor planning on your part doesn't require sacrifice on mine. I can't fill the second hour with another client, so you're paying for what you booked. Okay, then next time I'll book for gel polish, but get extensions and a pedicure and only pay for what I booked. You know what? You've pissed me off, so your appointment is now cancelled. Please go to your previous nail tech.